Got the gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSCON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins.
Guys, it's like 4 something now. Azal is awake. I don't know why. But I'm making tea for him now, and then I'll try to go back to sleep. Yeah. I've put it inside. Yesterday, let me close the door so I don't disturb you. So yesterday I was supposed to like vlog and journey to like the island and everything, but like this air took longer than expected. I'm telling you, it was so crazy, so annoying at the same time. I started doing my hair around after 9. Zion is telling me to shoot because people are sleeping in the house. But like I started doing my hair around after 9, and I didn't finish, guys, until like after 5. You want to pee? I'll catch you guys later. Welcome back to another vlog.
All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to.
So we want to do breakfast, and breakfast is pap and akara. So I'm going to get stuffs for it. But look at this air.
She gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably caught side. No, I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just searched the city with the G block stainers, and we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name.
So now, now, did you tell me that my hair is beautiful? I mean, I don't need the compliment, but you should tell me that my hair is beautiful.
So now, I remember telling you yesterday that you had good hair. Your hair is very fine. You know?
I didn't hear you.
Yeah, when you were lost in, I'm having headaches, the whole pain of the hair and everything.
Yes, because it was paining me now.
So now the pain has gone away and you are now looking to yourself, right?
Guys, is there Jendol around here? If there's Jendol, I don't even need to go into it. You try to say this thing now alone. Now alone too. Yes. Akara mo fẹ́ ṣe ni. How much be that Sonia cup? This Sonia.
$3.
$3. 3,000.
I thought I had $1.
Babe, j'ai that Sonia cup. Oh yeah. 3K. How much be 1 liter?
1 liter. 1,
2.
Let me shift. Sonia cup now how much?
You say 3K.
Babu 3K, 2.5. 2.5.
Benny.
Babu 2.5. I'm paying post. Babu.
Next, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away.
This one 500.
Okay, this one 500.
Yeah.
500.
Yes.
3 pieces of tatashi.
This is not tomato.
Tomato and seasoning for tatashi.
Hold on now, calm down. So give me tahashi 1,000. Give me onions 1,000.
Shi ne magana. Ina magana. Ibrahim. Wannan magana ya.
Hey, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already.
Are you okay? This man was taking me today, don't lie.
How do you feel?
Auntie of the year.
Man, baby, hold tight. I just touched the city with the G-block stainers, and we got adopted by some fit boy strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club.
Oh, yo, shit, let's go. Have some fun. Enjoy the show. We in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Now we in Houston. We're definitely going down. Goddamn,
Yo. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two. Man, how many times have I shown it through? Man, how many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road. Okay, funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose. Okay, soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say it's selling your soul. Okay, they want my life exposed. They wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only two. Man, how many times have I told you the truth? Man, how many nights I've been.
Man, baby, hold tight. I just touched the city with the G-block stainers.